Proactive Fingertip Pulse Oximeter is a portable, non-invasive device designed for spot-checking blood oxygen saturation and heart rate. With high accuracy, this oximeter is ideal for use in healthcare facilities, schools, camps, daycare centers, home care, sports facilities, and more. The device displays digital SpO2 and pulse rate, utilizing bar graph technology to monitor heart rate. It also features automatic power off for convenience and includes a lanyard for easy carrying. Whether you are a healthcare professional needing to monitor patients' vital signs, a teacher in a school setting, or a parent wanting to keep track of your child's health, the Proactive Fingertip Pulse Oximeter is a reliable and convenient tool to have on hand. Stay proactive about your health and the health of those around you with this essential device.